Oh boys, we got Christmas, early Christmas. Haha. Let's check it out. So I got like a little baby partial sponsor by Mishimoto. Let's see. Let's see what's in it. Take a seat. I'm tired. Just got off of work. Let's see what's in it. Nope. Got my handy dandy box cutter. Just in case you think I'm lying. Whatever. It says auto sponsorship swag bag 1. The sponsor is not including all the Ratchetboys cars, it's just the Supra. Let me see. So swag 1. Bag 1 is stickers, because a sponsorship requires a lot of real estate. 2 stickers must be on the car. Paperwork, I'll read that later. A brochure of their parts. Looks like an air freshener. I've seen this before. Pretty cool. What is that? A mug, cup, coaster, cooler thingy, and a lanyard keychain. Not bad. And that's it. These are pretty big. I don't know where I want them yet, but we will decide later. Let's check out the box, the big box. Let's put it right side up. Oh, it's kind of heavy. I do not like those big staples. Let's see what we got. Sheesh. Packing is freaking nice, real nice. It is I'm not to damage it. It's aluminum. Oh dang, this thing's heavy, bro. It's a intercooler for Soupy. Look how big that thing is, though, bro. It's just crazy. Got the W on one side. No, just kidding. Mishimoto on one side. Their logo. Open this. Put this camera down. Good looking out. Thank you, Mishimoto, for this awesome 4-inch, I think. Man, my tripod leg, one of them is broken, so I can't stand it up. Side chick's not here yet. Huge. So then 3-inch inlet and outlet. There you go. Love it. Looks good. But I haven't got any piping for it yet. I'm still undecided whether I want aluminum piping, charge pipes, or titanium for the cool blue colors when they get welded. But let's see. And also, freaking Mr. Weshak AWD got a tube bender, so we're gonna be building a back bar for this Supra. But let's go check it out. Man, I don't want to bend nothing. Jeez. Big old intercooler. Hopefully keep my IATs down. But that'll be in, I don't know, probably be like a month or two before I decide on what do you call it? What kind of piping material I want. But for now, it sits. But look what I did. This update on the wing. It's mounted. So there's gaps. So I'm gonna run that thing's called a polyurethane gasket. I got a couple feet of. So we'll see how that comes out. And I'm gonna get longer bolts too. So, cause I don't trust these little short bolts that came with this wing. They're like 1/2 inch. Let me show you how I drilled it. I still have it off because I'm gonna pull it back off for paint. The undercover. Oh man, the lighting sucks. So, let me see. Have the clip on the handy dandy voice grip. But yeah, so I drilled holes, I taped it, like blue taped it, marked out the holes, drilled it from the top down, and then I had to drill bigger holes so I could access the hardware. Right there, bigger hole, but these are the bolts, or like Phillips. They're just like Phillips screw heads, and they're like 1/2 inch long. So I'm planning for sure 100% we'll be getting some longer bolts. They don't need to be dress bolts, they're hidden. Longer bolts for sure, and maybe not a Phillips drive type. I need a hex head so I can make sure it's on there. But yeah, and that's all we got for you today. We'll see. Let's do some B-rolls and front shots. Oh yeah, I got some cheap China LED halo lights that I need to install this weekend. I got them off eBay, but we'll see. I've seen the reviews on them. The New World style lights had the worst reviews. They were actually rated as the worst aftermarket LED lights, but screw it. I don't like to drive this thing at night anyways. That big Wang gang. Can't see. yeah, I'm gonna pull these off. I do not like them at all. So if anybody wants them, hit me up on Instagram, Ratchetboys_garage, and whoever wants my itty bitty charge pipe setup here for Mk3 Supra, hit me on my DM. As soon as I get my other one installed, I will be basically selling for super cheap. Yeah, that's how I had it with the stock 2J manifold and these elbows and stuff. On the new setup, it's gonna be aftermarket manifold, probably be down here, the auto body down here, and come straight down. Choo. Another thing, I know I don't get a lot of comments on this YouTube channel, but I'm gonna leave it up to y'all. The 1 or 2 comments that do get left, should that be facing out, or should this side be facing out with the logo? Leave it in the comments.